From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Pennsylvania. I'm student meteorologist Jonah Hurley. Getting a look at some different areas across Pennsylvania, you can see that we're starting to lighten up around 7 a.m. right now. Some scattered clouds throughout the state, but overall looking pretty good. Right now it's a bit cooler across Pennsylvania. We've got those mid-30s to low 20s are the rule for much of the state, with a little bit warmer temperatures in the southeast parts of the state. You can see that those temperature changes have been quite large, especially across western parts of the state as that cold front moved through. Up to 30 degrees of temperature change in just 24 hours. Pretty impressive, but not all that unheard of for this time of year. And then in terms of temperatures across the U.S., we can see that they're actually remarkably uniform. There's a lot of those 30s, 40s, and a couple 50s in the warmer parts of the country, but overall pretty similar, which is not all that common for this time of year. And then wind speeds, we've got some pretty high winds across the southeast parts of the state, up to 30 miles per hour in Philadelphia, and a little bit higher than usual in other parts of the state, but we should hopefully see those come down over the course of the day. And looking at radar, we've got a small band of showers that should come through Saturday afternoon for much of the state. Shouldn't be a washout, but still will be a little bit wet. And then moving into Sunday, we see a little bit of clearing for the day, and then see a lot more rain moving into the overnight, with some serious rain expected for many areas. That won't be all bad though, given that we do still have a little bit of drought over the southeast portions of the state, but otherwise are actually looking pretty solid in terms of drought right now. For today, we're expecting a high of 51 degrees. It's going to be sunny, but a little bit cooler than previous days, and we do see those elevated winds, especially in the morning. Into tonight, we see that cool down to about 37 degrees with increasing clouds overnight, though it is a little bit calmer. Into tomorrow, we see a high of 52 degrees. We're expecting it to be cloudy and remaining a little bit on the windy side, and we will see a couple of those showers around midday. For our 7-day outlook, we're expecting those low 50s to start off the weekend, and then that evening rain on Sunday, mainly overnight, shouldn't impact daylight hours too much. Into Monday, a little bit warmer at 57 and partly cloudy, and those partly cloudy conditions continue for much of the week, with high 40s and mid 50s expected, with a warm-up starting on Thursday. I'm Jonah Hurley. Have a wonderful day.